One of the most common overlooked things when it comes to the Hemi misfire, immediately people think, oh, it needs plugs, oh, it needs a cam, oh, it's got blown head gaskets, oh, this and that. So if you take a look down inside this coil there, you can see there's a screw. That's what the spring for the boot rides on. Now, I went through all the coils, all 7 of them, until I got to this one, and they're all good except for this one. You can see the rust. Now I've been digging around in there with this screwdriver, kind of break some of that up, but boot kit, these are cheap. If you're doing plugs, recommend doing those at the same time. It's cheap and very commonly overlooked. See, where's the, see, this is the one that came off of it. This is the rust on the tip there. And this one, you see the arcing. See if it'll zoom in on that muff. See where it's been arcing? Yep, good stuff.